Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Today's video is about jumbo box braids. First thing to do here is to part the hair. I usually like to divide the hair into two using the ear as the line mark. Now I have two sections, so I kept the front one away and work with the back one first. In parting the hair, you need gel and edge control to make the lines neat. Then brush the hair and put them in ponytails. At the back, I made 3 rows. The first row has 3 parts, second one 4, third 4, in all 11 parts. Moving on to the front section, I made 9 ponytails, in all 20 small ponytails for 20 box braids. For the braids, I used 1 pack of braiding hair. I cut it into 3 and feathered the blunt ends. Since I have 20 sections, I divided the braiding hair into 20 equal parts. Now for the installation. I braid each ponytail one at a time. Now a tip for making neat braids. When braiding, try as much as possible to use the braiding hair to cover the natural hair. Please watch as I repeat the process. Once you are done braiding all the ponytails, go ahead and trim off the excess hair. Put the ends of the hair into hot water, but at this point you have to be very careful, especially when it has to do with a kid. You can choose to add beads to make it more beautiful. This is the final look and she's super excited. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you all in my next one.